You need to toughen up mentally. Your mind is so much more powerful than you probably understand. It sounds cliche, but it is the most important element of this process. You must change your thought process and eliminate as much of the negativity and doubt as you possibly can. It's time for you to accept and embrace your pain. You need to take back control of your time in life. Take pride in the fact that you are very tough and can endure such a hardship, but not let it stop you. Champion yourself. Find a reason. You need to make up your mind that no matter what happens to you or how this plays out, you are going to keep going for this or these reasons. You are going to live to the fullest and pursue your wants, needs, dreams, and desires as if tomorrow wasn't coming. It will give you purpose. You must have a purpose to achieve a goal. It can be something small and personal or something unbelievable and incredible. Use it to push yourself. Make it your focus every day instead of your fissure. A lot of the info you get online is negative and filled with gloom and doom. While there forums into the videos that offer help dealing with the fissure long term, a lot of the patient feedback, comments, and stories are filled with hopelessness, defeat, fear, and failure. If you listen to the people who have failed, you will fail. You simply cannot be weak-minded in this process and actually get it done. If you believe you are different and are stronger than most people, then you can do this. Your self-belief is all you need. You can do this. You will do this. You are doing it now.